Hello everyone, today we're going to make an Indian sweet. These are the brown pedas that in some areas are known as Dharwad Peda. Where I'm from, it's famous as Duliram peda. These are extremely soft, tasty and quick to make, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. To it, I'm adding 160 gram of grated paneer. Adding 3/4 cup of sugar. If you prefer less sweet, you can add less sugar. We're going to roast this on low to medium flame until it changes into a brown color. Keep in mind, do not cook on a high flame or you won't get that amazing taste. Our paneer has a nice brown color and it has become completely dry. At this point, remove it from the flame and grind it into a powder. In the same pan, I'm adding 160 gram of khoya. I made this fresh at home. If you want to check out the recipe, I'll post the link in the description box below. On a low to medium flame, we will also roast this until it turns into a brown color. If you find this a bit dry, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to this. Keep the ratio of paneer and khoya almost the same. If you add too much khoya, then the peda will start tasting like a milk peda and it won't taste like a Dharwad or Duliram peda. Our khoya is nice and brown. At this stage, we will remove it from the flame. We're going to blend the powdered paneer and sugar, half cup of milk, and the khoya into a paste. In the same pan, add the khoya and paneer paste. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Again, cook it on a low to medium flame. Once it thickens like this, remove from the flame and let it cool completely. My mixture has cooled completely, so now I'll make the pedas. You can make in any shape as you like. I'm just rolling it in my hands, dusting it in powdered sugar. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.